Welcome to NAFECO Vendor Spotlight. We're here with Dave Roden, the Director of Training from FlyingCross and Vertx. Welcome, Dave. Can you tell us a little bit about FlyingCross and Vertx?
Yeah, so our parent company, Fechheimer, has been around for over 180 years. In fact, we used to sell uniforms to both the North and the South during the Civil War. So we are also the very first company to standardize on fit blocks for uniforms. So I guarantee you that if there is a problem that's ever come up in the uniform space, we have a phenomenal solution for it.
You brought a bunch of great uniforms here today, so can you tell us a little bit about the PowerFlex from FlyingCross?
Yeah, my pleasure. So this is a uniform we're super excited to bring to market. We spent a little over 3 years in development. This is the very first 100% polyester knit uniform. Usually uniforms are a woven. This is a knit. So what are the advantages of a knit? Well, first of all, it stretches in every direction. It's also super breathable. You guys will see the video where we've actually put a humidifier behind it, and you can see those vapors coming through. Because it's polyester, it's got to have fantastic color fastness, so it's not going to fade over time. We have a ton of features built into this as well. So we have permanent creases already built into this. There's comms wire pass-through slots in here as well. And then a really cool thing is we have these hidden pockets behind here. So you're getting Class B features in a Class A look, right? We also have a patrol shirt designed to be worn underneath the carrier. Because this entire fabric is performance material, we no longer need to have a transition line in the middle to transition to a performance material. And then we're also launching this in a 4-pocket and a 6-pocket pant. Again, all of these are the exact same weight, exact same fabric, super stretchy, and very, very breathable.
These are going to be great uniforms for our customers. Can you tell us about the Fusion Flex from Vertx?
So this is another great uniform with 4-way stretch built into it, but this one has a new technology called 37.5. So that uses evaporative cooling instead of moisture wicking. So everybody has an IR signature they give off. Well, that IR signature is used to break down sweat at a molecular level, drying you 5 times faster than a traditional moisture wicking shirt. But also when you're cold, it reflects your IR back to you to warm you up, and when you're hot, it breaks down that sweat. The other cool thing about this is it's inherently anti-odor, super soft hand, high polyester count, so we have color fastness. We offer a button-up version. We have a patrol shirt where we shift the seams forward and back so you don't get that rub from an outer carrier. And we also offer pants as well. We offer these in 4 colors: desert tan, black, navy, and Odie green, men's and women's.
I understand we got a great giveaway that's going on right now too.
Yes, sir. We're going to be offering a FlyingCross HT pullover jacket. We'll also have a ready pack and an overflow pouch. Both of those are from Vertx to help organize your kit and gear.
So go to the nafeco.com/flyingcross and register for this great giveaway. Thank you so much for being here, Dave.
Oh, my pleasure. Thanks for having us.